I'm Janelle Ricketts, and I'm the head of marketing at Ikea Canada.
Hi, I'm Carlo. I'm the marketing performance leader at Ikea Canada. Today we are spending some time here at Furniture Bank to build some furniture for those in need.
Ikea has a long relationship with the Furniture Bank, and we are active partners and support with many different initiatives and donating a ton of furniture. Instead of doing a traditional holiday get-together with our team, we thought it'd be really important for us to do some team building together and to also give back to our community during this time of year.
I think just being here and learning about the different services that Furniture Bank offers for those in need is such a great thing that they do within Toronto.